Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an eyelash curler review. I'm so excited. I know I always say that I'm excited by every video that I'm doing, which I am, but today I am super excited. You all know that I have next to nothing lashes, and I have been on a quest searching for something that is going to, actually grow my lashes or actually make my lashes look super thick and super long, which I have not found yet. I have actually done a couple of mascara reviews. They've made my eyelashes look thicker and fuller, but not to an extent that I want. If you want to know why my lashes are looking like this, check out one of my videos. I'll put a link up there for you guys to see. And also, I think it comes with age as well. As you get older, your lashes is not going to be looking as full and as thick as it used to look when you were younger, like a spring chicken basically. And I'm not a spring chicken. I might look like a spring chicken, but I am not a spring chicken. So guys, so we're actually going to crack on and do the review. I hope I'm pronouncing the name well, but it's from Enkinil, and I hope is the how you pronounce it. But if that's not how you pronounce it, I apologize in advance. My eyes are looking super naked. I have no mascara on. I have absolutely nothing on my lashes. So we're gonna crack on and actually do the review. I'm going to show you the box. It's an intelligent temperature control, type C charging, long-lasting curling, digital temperature display. And I've seen people use it and it's working for them, but I have never ever touched it because I haven't got any lashes. I feel like it might damage my eyelashes even more. So what I read that it does not damage your lashes, but I'm not too sure about that. I'm trying to protect the little lashes that I have. Just like your hair, I do not like putting too much heat on any hair on my body. Any hair that I want to save anyway. Any hair that I want. I don't want to put any anything heat on it, like my hair on my head. I think that's about it. Yeah, and maybe my lashes as well. I don't want to put heat on it. All the people I've seen review this product, they all have either long or thick lashes already, except that it's straight, super straight. So when they curl it, the lash that they already have looks thicker. Somebody like me who has really thin and really fine lashes, I feel like it will be the best person to try this. So if it works on me, I'm sure it will work on absolutely anybody. So yep, I'm gonna be the scapegoat and try it. So you can actually find this on Amazon, and it's gonna be my absolute honest opinion because I will be doing it on camera. We're going to be doing it together. This is the box, how it looks. When you open it, this is how it comes. This is how the curler looks like. Pretty much it looks like this. Let's bring it forward for it. Zoom in. It looks like this. The off and on button there, you can see that's the silicone pad. I'll put this one down and show you. There's a red silicone pad here, and this is the switch. And it looks like pretty much similar to your conventional eyelash curler. Okay, so this is my usual eyelash curler. The one that I normally use. I don't use it that often, but this is the one that if I have to use one, this is the one I use. And this one is the heated digital one. So if you compare the two, there it is. They look super similar. The box contains this one. When you open it, it comes with the cable, and it's saying that it's type C cable. Let's see how long or how the wire is. And this is the wire here, the USB cable, and this is the side that goes inside the curler. So it's just your pretty standard cable really. So in case it breaks, you can find some anywhere on Amazon. Underneath it, the brush is in there. I don't even open this at all. This is the Lash comb. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so you take it out and it pretty much look like this. And there it is. It has the spoolie as well. So, and it's foldable as well, so you can actually bend it. This is how it pretty much looks. Okay, so these are all the stuff that comes in the box. So it's saying that usually it takes like 10 seconds to heat up. I'm gonna read to you how to use this curler. Press the switch here, that switch. Press the switch key for 1 to 5 seconds to start up. It will enter the low mode. Let's do that. Press it on camera. It's entered the low mode there, which is 50. The second mode is 60, if you can see. I'm not sure if it's showing on camera. And the third mode is 70. So it's up to you what mode you want to use. I am going to put it on the high mode. Default and start preheating. Please start using it after the heating sensation silicone pad turns white. It's turning pretty quick. So yeah, they didn't lie there. So after you've used this to curl your lashes, you apply your mascara. So I'm going to show you how many lashes pretty much looks like. So this is how it looks like. Don't mind the little makeup on my lashes. So those are all like eyeshadow on my lashes. So if I close, I'm going to bend down a bit and see if you can see it. No mascara, nothing on these lashes. Okay, I'm not sure if it's reflected on camera. It's gone light pink. I'm not sure if it's meant to be this color or it's meant to be like pure white. It doesn't really say. It's saying that when it turns white, you use it, but it's a light pink at the moment. So I'm going to wait a little bit and see if it actually turns pure white. If it turns white, that means it's ready to be used. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second. I'm not sure how safe it is for the lashes, but all I'm going to say is, you know, same as your hair. If you put too much heat on the hair on your head, obviously it's going to damage. So I'm guessing that too much of this heat on your eyelashes will probably in the long run damage it as well. Right guys, so I'm actually going to turn up the camera and wait a little bit longer and see, because I don't want to be sitting on camera for 3 minutes waiting for this thing to turn white. So I'm going to turn up the camera and come back to you when it turns white. This is the side with this conventional one. My eyes are a bit watery, so this is how it's looking. This is that side. There is a slight improvement. I mean, I can see that my lashes have lifted very slightly with this one. So now I'm going to try. Okay guys, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done. Look at my eye. My eyes are watery. On this side is super watery. I tried, it just didn't work for me. I think I should come a little closer. This is the side with the normal lash. There's a little bit more slight improvement on this side. Lashes have lifted slightly. Look at this side. This is the side that I actually use, the electronic one, the heated one, and there's absolutely not much difference, not a lot of difference how my lashes look before. I applied it so many times that my eye is even hurting, it's watery, and so far I feel like I like this side better. Before I actually come up with my conclusion, I'm actually going to try and put mascara on. So this is the side I use, the non-electronic one. This is the mascara. So this is just the first coat. I'm gonna apply mascara on the other side, the side that I use the heated curler. See if there's any difference. Actually going to apply the second coat on this side, that I use at the electric heater. I'm doing the second coat. There you go. I'm applying it exactly the same as the other side. This is the two sides that I've just done. So this is the side that I use the non-heated eyelash curler, and this is the side that I use the heated curler. So I've come closer so you guys can be the judge of it. It looks like the heated side curled slightly. It curled up slightly, just slightly more than this side. Like I said, I don't have a lot of lashes, so I don't expect these things to grow my lashes overnight, or I don't expect it to grow my lashes within an hour, but I was expecting it to at least curl it a little bit more. So I feel like, yeah, this side curled it just slightly. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks like there's a little bit, just slight lift on the heated side, the electronic side. So you guys look and let me know. But I had to struggle. I had to struggle to get this. Like I said, I think maybe because I don't have a lot of lashes, maybe that's why. There it is. So for those of you who have thick lashes, this will work for you fine. But for those of us with next to nothing lashes, you have to keep on doing it, keep on applying. This is something that I'm not going to be using every time, to be honest with you. But like I said, for those of you with thick lashes, feel free to purchase it and use it. But for me, I don't think it works for me. This is the end of my video. I hope you've totally enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. I want to say thank you to Enkinil again for sending me this eyelash curler. Take care. God bless. Bye.